basically, having such an uncertain 10th standard with reduction, online teaching propagandas, and alien methods to adapt to, I conceived, terminated, and endeavored a collective of methods, strategies, and remedies to make my studies serene and concrete. So while I'm making this video, to give you a reality check, by now, my 10th board exams are cancelled and I have no idea of my 10th council board results. While I was piling things up and making room for my 11th grade, the idea of sharing my combat story with you hit my brain. And so here is everything I principally did to prepare for my 10th board exams, which I'm sure would help not only ICSE but students in general, irrespective of their boards and their grades. It would be wise to say that consider your textbooks as your Bible, Quran, or Bhagavad Gita. I would suggest you using concise for maths and science, total for language and SST, literature, Hindi, and PE for what your school provides you. Talking about guides, they become very handy for your chapter-wise revisions and help you know questions that would be asked. Here are the ones which I used. The secret of making notes is using colors, segregation, and animating them according to your understanding. Like you can make columns for differentiation, writing all locations and functions of biology one side, writing all your chemical equations together for chemistry, pen down all your definitions of all the subjects chapter-wise in one book, use of idioms, and online material available for you will help you enhance your skill. Maintaining a diary for vocabulary will help you improve your vocabulary. Also, maintain a book for your math formulas, rules, and tricks. Knowing your paper pattern is very important. Also, note down the rules which your teacher gives you. It will help you to improve and know how to write your paper, especially English. Talking about question banks, I used Oswald books. They not only help you with last 10 years but also specimens which prove to be useful. They provide us proper written answers. As I said, using colors can make your notes interesting. Use sketch pens, highlighters, and glitter pens for them. Allocate the colors wisely and use them. Which pen to use during exams or prelims is a big question. Since ball pen is mandatory, these are the ones I would recommend. They do not dirty your hands or leak. To begin with, you need to figure out either you can wake up early or study late night. Divide your study times into 4 slots, 2 for studies, 1 for revision, and 1 for your mock tests. Also include some buffer time for your workout and hobbies. Simple flashcards and to-do list can help you achieve your daily goals. As you finish each task, just by putting a tick, you give a sense of victory and push you towards goals you have set for yourself. Keep faith in the power of planning and move ahead. Along with daily, having a monthly plan is also playing smart. And do not forget to build a last month revision plan. When I talk about tablets, I literally mean synopsis. Like for example, circulatory system of biology, I had divided the chapter into 10 small bits and attached a small flashcard on its front page, along with the scope of the syllabus. Giving justice to the scope is very important. It will provide you smart work and help you save time. Moreover, highlighting and underlining important stuff will help you identify them once you come back to revise the chapter. Leaving certain part of the chapter or doing extra will eventually lead to your loss. Spend time on knowing the reduced portion and its scope for 2 to 3 hours. Write and place it on your study board subject-wise so you can mark them as and when you finish studying a particular chapter. Revision stands out to be a crucial part of your preparation. Make sure you at least have 3 revisions before board exams. Mark them with unique colors as I have done. Secondly, knowing your exam schedules and timing is very important. Make sure you reach your center at time and know which exam is on which date. Maintain a page or a booklet called Doubt Adda to make sure you don't miss out on any concept. Also, have an hour count to keep your daily productivity in check. Though I didn't get to give my council exams, but I had made a gap strategy to use between 2 exams. This will help you not let your intensity drop. Reading section 2 first, presentation and underlining your keyword is important. Please do not take your assignments lightly. Notebooks, projects, practicals and prelims are very significant. Do not take them for granted and complete them on time. Present them as beautifully as you can and impress your teacher. Along with all the hustle, unwinding is necessary. Indulge in reading books and try avoiding stories. Instead, read philosophical books. It will help you increase your vocabulary. Maintain a bucket list. Dream big and keep adding on what you see and envision in yourself. Note your ideas. No matter what, sky is the limit. Practice your hobbies and keep your mood cheerful. Writing a diary and journaling is the best thing you can do. It will help you keep your mental health in place and also give you some writing practice. Apart from that, keep adding on what you can think you can do. Keep a parallel discussion open for your career and future plans. Consistency was the biggest issue I had in my journey. Keep yourself around positivity, be obliging, and try not to procrastinate. Your surrounding can speak a lot about you. Make sure your room is clean and your books are dust-free. Sit under natural light. Keep all your aims and goals in front of your eyes and your dashboard, wall, or study table. You can put up squares, cubes, a calendar on it. Note down what you love, what you like, the dates, formulas, your mantras, your daily gratitude on them. The best tip I can give you is to sit on the ground and study in front of window. Greenery and natural light are the best friends of studies. It will protect your eyesight and give you a better environment. And finally, your body and your health shouldn't be ignored. Maintain a health journal and keep your physique in check. Your diet and your calorie count matters. Try working out at least 3 times a week. It will keep you fresh and prevent from study fatigue. Lastly, for ICSE students, finding content on YouTube is difficult. Here are the best channels you can refer to during your preparations. Thank you for coming this far. Just have faith in yourself and I'm sure you can do it. So that is it for this video. I hope you like it and Do subscribe to my channel and spark like you own this universe.